Hello biology students, I wanted to make this video just to help you again with the assignments for this week, but I also have an announcement. So next week is Spirit Week, so be looking for opportunities on Google Classroom to connect with your peers, your biology peers, and share some of your Spirit Week photos. So I will create something on Monday with like an assignment or something, or maybe just a discussion where you can post and put your spirit pictures on there and have discussions with one another. So that's the first announcement. Be looking for that next week, Monday, and then that's taking place throughout the week. So each day is a different theme. And the other announcement is that next week, so we're going from Wednesday to Wednesday. So next week would be April 15th. We're going to take that week as just kind of a break to not focus on content, but kind of just check in with each other, just do some fun stuff, fun activities, connecting with each other, reflecting, self-reflection on what you've been doing to stay busy throughout this pandemic that doesn't maybe include content. So we're trying to take it a little easier on you guys. We had a faculty meeting yesterday, and a lot of students have been expressing frustration with the amount of work and just trying to juggle everything from taking care of siblings to going out and working and all of that. And we've been getting a lot of feedback that it's just been a little overwhelming. So with that being said, I want to share my screen with you on what you're going to be getting for week 3, which runs April 8th through April 15th. And I really tried to keep it really light. So this could be something that you complete in maybe 40 minutes or so. So the one thing that I will assign for you on April 8th at 8:05 in the morning is the Khan Academy video, and I believe this was assigned to you last week as an optional one, but it is required for this week. So this week you will have to watch it. It is 25 minutes, and it runs through different examples: incomplete dominance, codominance, dihybrid crosses, and then the assignment. Here's the assignment that you're going to complete. So everyone will complete genetic crosses activity 1 through 8. All right, these are basically like a vocabulary, 8 vocabulary questions. So you're either matching, or you're filling in the blank, or you're doing something like that. So let's see here, and then so everyone's doing 1 through 8 at the top, right? Those first 1 through 8 that are in blue. And then you guys have a choice of completing any of the ones that follow. So like this is one option that you could complete. So you would fill in, you would read the directions here, and then you would fill in this Punnett square here. All right, that's one option. Or you could do, that first half, questions 1 through 8, and then just complete part 3. Here, you'd be completing these smaller Punnett squares here. Or let's say you don't like any of those two, you want more of a challenge, you could complete the multiple alleles predicting blood type section. So you'd complete this Punnett square here. The last option is this Punnett square here and these questions under sex-linked inheritance. So you're not doing all of them. I want you guys to have a choice, and I want you to choose the ones that you think are easier for you to complete. So this should not take more than an hour. The video takes about 25 minutes, and then the work shouldn't take very long. You're just filling in these blanks after you've watched the video and kept some notes, and then you're matching these definitions here, and then filling in the blanks here. And then you're choosing only one of these different types of inheritance practice problems. Okay, so like let's say you do part 2. What I would like for you to do with the rest of the document, you can highlight the other ones and just go ahead and delete the other ones, all right? Or let's say you actually did the blood type problem, then you would go through and you would delete the other ones that you didn't do. So just for clarification, I want this to be as easy as possible. You watch the video for 25 minutes, you match the vocab here, so everyone's doing that, and then you just choose one of the practice problems in the document. You're not doing all of the practice problems, just choose these here that I'm highlighting. Just choose one of them. And those of you, if you want a challenge, you could choose a more challenging one, but I'm trying to keep it easier for you. So those are your options. And then be on the lookout next week, starting Monday, for opportunities to share your Spirit Week activities. And then that next Wednesday, we're going to take a break from content. So that'll be April 15th. Let me look at the calendar. From April 15th to April 22nd. That week is going to be something easy, like maybe a bingo card where you're sharing some of the things that you've done. Let me see if I can give you an example. You're sharing some of the things that you've done that aren't content related. So I'm trying to find, oh, here it is. So something that you've done for your body, like you're working out, or something that includes something that you did with friends and family, like maybe you had a household chore, and so on. So it's not necessarily content, it's just something more relaxing and fun, and maybe it will give you an opportunity also to do some things that you want to do during this time. So anyway, I hope that this video helped, and again, we are hearing your feedback that things are getting a little too heavy and overwhelming. So we're trying to make it easier. So make sure on that assignment that you're doing that vocabulary portion. Everyone does the vocab, and then only choose one of the other ones. Don't try to do all of them unless you really want to do that to yourselves. But do the vocab, which is the blue questions 1 through 8, and then choose a sample problem you want to complete. Don't try to do all of them unless you really want that challenge. Okay. Stay safe. I hope you all are not feeling overwhelmed. If you are feeling overwhelmed, if you are having problems, please email, okay? Because I do want to hear about if you've got specific things going on that I need to know about. So let me know. All right, stay safe. Have a good week.